we want children to deeply understand questions, to really uncover the structure of them, so they don't end up asking, is this addition or subtraction? They really see, explore and see the structure. So such a powerful tool for deconstructing worded questions is modeling with equipment and or images. Let's have a look at a few example questions. Here's one I've used with year 4. There are 11 people at the park. There are some more children than adults at the park. How many adults are at the park? Now, because I've hidden that number, there are different possible answers that the children can identify, almost toy around with. And that comes before we then show that number and represent with counters. And children can have a go at representing that question with counters. And it's a realistic size so that children don't need too many counters. Then I can start showing the structure. We know that there are 3 more children. And so then we can ask the children, they may even adapt what they've done with the counters and think, well, how many people now are hidden? How many more children and how many more adults? They think about that, they adapt what maybe they have in front of them, and then we see how many. And that breaks down the solution. We can see that there are 4 adults, 7 children and 4 adults. Let's have a look at another question. There are 4 bags of sweets. There are 3 sweets in each bag. How many sweets altogether? And children having to discern between an addition and a repeated addition question. Again, there, children could represent that question. It might be you choose counters, it might be with pictures. And then we want children to have something concrete to compare with. So we bring up the 2 examples. Which picture? Is it 4 add 3? Is it 4 multiplied by 3? And children then really thinking about the structure, the wording that really uncovers that structure. And then, of course, we see it's 4 multiplied by 3, the answer being 12 sweets. What's also really key, and we'll focus in more detail in future videos, is how the use of visual representations is also really important for showing the structure of questions in children's independent practice. They're not just given questions and given a blank box, but there's a real structure there to help children to answer questions of different types. So really important for helping children to understand worded questions is the modelling with equipment and images. And I hope that's a really useful taster.